Stopping smoking is essential for managing CAD. And here are some beneficial foods. Healthy foods include leafy green vegetables, berries, and walnuts. Oats and beans provide soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol. Healthy oils like olive oil and flaxseed oil are also beneficial. Here are foods which we can avoid. Foods to avoid include trans fats found in fried and processed foods. And we can also don't take high salt intake should be reduced because it increases blood pressure. Refined sugars and sugary drinks are also very harmful. In prevention, CAD can be prevented through healthy lifestyle choices. A balanced diet and regular physical activity are the key. Regular medical checkups for blood pressure and cholesterol are also very important. And in the conclusion, CAD is both manageable and preventable. Nutrition plays a role in its treatment. And at the last, protect your heart today for a better tomorrow and your healthier future. Thank you. This is for today.